Don't buy that bubble top yet. Let me show you how to cut and sew this easy casual kaftan bubble top. It is simple, comfortable and beginner friendly. Hi, I'm Lois Addah. Let's begin. We are using an Ankara fabric for this project, so we folded the Ankara fabric into four using the full back measurement. So the full back we are working with is 21 inches because it's a kimono bubu kaftan top. So what we have there is total of 22 inches. So I had to draw the starting line. After marking the starting line, we took the full length of the top, which is 34 plus 2.5 inches seam allowance, 2 inches for the folding at the downside, and half inch to join the shoulder. We have total of 36 inches. So we had to mark 36 inches and then drew a straight line. So next we are going to take the shoulder slant. From that point I placed my tape and came down by 1 inch. After marking 1 inch, we took the neck width of 3/3 and marked. After marking, we took the neck depth for the back 2.5 inches and the neck depth for the front 5 inches, and we connected it to the neck width and then connected it to the shoulder slant. So next it's time for us to take the sleeve circumference of 11.5 plus seam allowance, and then after marking it we drew a straight line. On that straight line we took the bust circumference of 15 inches plus seam allowance, meaning the bust measurement is 60 divided by 4, which gives us 15 inches. So after marking 15 inches, I measured that part. I had 7 inches. So we are supposed to take that 7 inches to the down part, but we are going to measure the bust circumference of 15 inches and then reduce that bust circumference at the hemline. Okay, so at that down part I took 14 inches. So we are going to connect that 15 inches to the 14 inches at the full length of the top. So at that sleeve area I'm going to go inwards by half an inch. So we are done marking. It is time for us to cut what we have. So before we cut what we have, I'm going to mark 7 inches. So that 7 inches I'm marking is for the combination, okay? And the full length that the combination would take is 17.5. So I marked 18 inches. So 7 inches by 18 inches. So at that hemline, I still marked 7 inches. I'm going to mark that 7 inches and connect it to the shoulder part, okay? And then I will curve it a little bit. So that is where the cream color combination is going to be. We are not going to cut it out, but we are going to cut all what we have and then place the combination on top of it to cut it out. Okay, so if you've watched up to this point, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss out on any of our beautiful videos. Please like, share and comment. So after cutting, we are going to separate the two panels in order for us to be able to have just one piece for the front panel and then drop the neckline for that of the front. So this is it, guys. I'm cutting the neckline for the front. So after cutting the neckline, we are going to cut for the combination. So to achieve the combination, I had to fold the combination into two. I placed the poly fabric, into two and then marked the full length of 18.5 and the wideness on fold is 7 inches. Okay, so after marking I had to cut it out in a straight piece. So after cutting it out, I'm going to place it on the Ankara fabric so that I'll be able to drop the neckline for the poly material as well. Okay, so this is it. I placed it and then I'm going to cut out the neckline. So arrange it very well and then cut out the neckline. If this pattern is hard for you, it is better you place it at the downside of the Ankara fabric so that you'll be able to see the neckline that you are dropping. Okay, so after cutting at the down part of it where I'm using my chalk, I went inwards by 2.5 and then I had to use my scissors to cut it in a slant manner, meaning that that down part is not straight. Okay, so after cutting we are done. It is time for us to sew. So we have all our panels, the back panel, the front panel, and that of the combination. So this is the back panel. We are going to use our bias to turn the neckline. And then this is the front panel. We are going to place the combination. After putting haystay on it, we'll fold the sides, okay, with half an inch. After folding it, we'll take it to the back side of the ankara fabric, just the way I am placing it. Then we are using half an inch to sew it. We'll notch, we'll top stitch, iron it, and then flip it to the front side and then sew the edges, okay. So after sewing these edges, we have the strip of 1 inch that we cut. The strip that I'm having in my hand, I'm going to fold it inwards just the way I am demonstrating. Then I'm going to place it on the fabric and sew it in a curved manner. Okay, that is how I am going to sew all the three lines I want to make. So we are done with the front panel, sewing the combination and putting the strips on it. So after that, we are going to place the back panel on top of the front panel. Now the back panel, we've also hemmed the neckline using our bias to turn it. So we are going to place right side facing each other, and after that we are going to sew the shoulder. After sewing the shoulder, the next thing we are going to do is to hem the sleeve with the combination, and then we are going to sew the sides. So after sewing the sides, we are going to fold the downside of the top, okay, with 2 inches. Then we'll give it a good press and then we'll bring it and show you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please watch the next video on your screen for another easy sewing tutorial on this channel, and I will see you in the next class.